In my last video, I broke down exactly how to pass the 50K Topstep Combine. But this time, I'm showing you exactly how I passed the 50K Topstep Combine. I passed the Topstep Combine in just 2 days with 2 trades, using the Golden Zone method and a simple risk plan. No fluff, no luck, just execution. Let me show you how. What's good, family? As you can already tell by the title, I did it. And I'm not here to brag, I'm here to show you how to replicate it. Because once you have the right system and the discipline to follow it, the combine stops becoming a wall and starts becoming a window. First things first, let's talk risk. Because in the market, it's not about catching good trades. It's about keeping your combine alive enough to get funded. So here's my exact plan I've used to pass multiple combines. I only trade 2 gold contracts. No scaling, no ego, just precision. This way I can keep my risk consistent and clear. Next, my take profit is always 7.5 points. This allows me to align with Topstep's 50% consistency rule. A clean 7.5 point take profit is 1,500. It's enough to stay consistent and hit my target in just 2 to 3 trades over the length of a couple days. Next, my stop loss is dynamic based on structure. Usually ranges around 500, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. But I never risk more than necessary. Now here's the important one. If I lose 2 trades in 1 day, I'm done. No questions asked. But if I take 1 solid trade and win, I'm also done. The combine and the markets are a solid game of patience. This is where you have to sit on your hands and not let revenge trading take you out the game. And of course, every day is a new day. Every morning is day 1 mentality. New chart, same edge, same discipline. I don't ride emotional momentum and no carryover from yesterday. The most important thing, I log every single trade. Track everything. Time, setup, pair, trend, how I was feeling before, during, and after. Everything. This is how I stay dialed in and refine the Golden Zone method over time. These simple rules is how I'm able to pass my Topstep Combine in just as little as 2 days. So if you're tired of starting over and blowing up before you get a payout, run this exact plan with me. You don't have to do it alone. Now, let's break down the strategy that got me funded. This is the first trade on day 1, Monday, July 21st. London was flying and price has already made its move before I sat down. Now I'll admit, I started to hesitate a little bit. Thought maybe we're a little too high, or maybe that'll reverse. Then I just reminded myself, I don't predict what the market's gonna do, I execute. So, I followed the Golden Zone method checklist. First things first, identify a gap or an imbalance in the market. This lets me know that the big boys are here to play. After that, wait for a real breaker structure, a new higher high, or lower low. Lets me know that we're ready to go. From the base of that move, that's where I draw my golden zone. Finally, you wait for price to retest the zone and a break of candle headed back in the trend direction. That's where I enter. 2 gold contracts, 7.5 points, and just like that, day 1 complete. Now Tuesday's trade, July 22nd. Same setup, but price was still moving up. But again, I just followed the checklist. Step 1, big price move, leaving a gap in the market. Step 2, structure break must be confirmed. A new higher high was created. Now draw my zone from the start of that move to the bottom of the gap. Then it's just a waiting game. I wait for price to retrace and tap my zone. With a beautiful reaction candle for my zone, I waited for that breaking candle, and that's where I entered. Stop loss below this swing low, 2 gold contracts, 7.5 points, and just like that, I was funded. Now the biggest lesson I learned was trust the process, not my fear. When I first sat down to trade on both these days, London has already made its move, and huge. We were flying, and I caught myself thinking, man, this has to be overextended. Maybe I should just try to catch a reversal. I hesitated, and that little voice of doubt started to creep in. I had to pause, take a step back, and remind myself, who am I to guess what the market wants to do? Instead, ride the wave and let it prove me wrong. My job is simply to trade my system, not outsmart the market. So I did. I followed the Golden Zone method and ignored the noise. And boom, 2 trades, 2 days, and clean. And that moment was powerful. And not because it worked, because I saw how easy and how traders get self-sabotaged. And if they aren't able to take a step back and use self-awareness, they're cooked. And as you saw, the exact same thing came up the next day. But it was no longer knowledge, it was wisdom, and I was ready to go. Here's the real kicker. I called out exactly every trade, step by step, in my community. The doubts, the confirmation, the exact setups. All of it. I'll walk through it in the chat, live, with the guys. Don't believe me? Go see it for yourself. It's all there, timestamped. And that's the difference. You're not out here trying to figure it out all alone. You get to see progress, ask questions, seek wins, and trade with people who actually care. So, if you're tired of second guessing, tired of wondering if you're actually headed in the right direction, and if you're ready to finally pass this combine, and again feel momentum for once, I'm inviting you to trade with me in the community for free for 7 days. Come feel what it's like to be a part of something that's real. Your growth actually matters. where people win every single week. Even when it's not created in the chat, just scroll through the Trading Wins channel. The whole goal is not to flex on each other, but to build real consistency and grow as a family. So let's go get you funded and let's get paid. Yeah, I passed my combine, but more importantly, I stuck to my system. I trusted the process and I showed up with intention. If you're serious about getting funded and tired of running in circles, this is just time to lock in, plug in, and move different. The system works, the community is yours, and the door is open. Subscribe, you're ready to get funded. Patience equals profits. And always thank God for the wins, the lessons, and the opportunities. But now, let's work on that payout because the job's not finished. Peace.